Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are fresh out of the shower. If you can't tell, that's why this is in my head. And with everything going on in the world right now, it's still important that we focus on our skincare. And it's not. And let me explain why it's still important. Because it's gonna give you something to focus on, other than the news, other than social media, other than the virus. It's gonna give you something positive to look forward to. So even if you're quarantined, or you under mandatory quarantine, or whether you're self-quarantining, or maybe you're just like New Orleans where everyone has lost their job and you have no choice but to sit at home. We're gonna do some self-love, some self-care, get our mind off of everything going on in the world. So we're gonna go in with the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. You can go in with any mask you want. You can go in with a sheet mask. You can go in with whatever you want to go in with. I'm going in with this because this just happens to be what's sitting in front of me. And I'm just gonna, it feels good to do this. It really does. Out of all of the stress I have going on right now, it feels good to take a minute, take a long shower. I actually bathed the dogs. I'm sure you hear them barking. Well, I heard them barking. I actually bathed the dogs so that they are nice and clean. But we're just gonna do this and we're gonna take some time for ourselves. So at this point, because we need to leave this on for about 20 minutes, you can read a book, you can just sit here and relax. Totally up to you. I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee and sit down, relax for a few minutes, and we'll be back when we're done. Okay, y'all, we are back. I went ahead and I rinsed off the Elemis mask, and we're just gonna go straight into the next step, which is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I use these morning and night, and I really feel like they have made a drastic difference in my skin. No joke. So we're just gonna go in circular motions. So since we are talking about self-care here in this trying time, I want to say this real quick. If you're going through it, which we all are, but by going through it, I mean, if you are, how do I say this? If you feel alone, or you feel depressed, you're not alone. Just know that. And I'm speaking from personal experience here. These last few days, they've been tough. If you're following the news, New Orleans we're getting it pretty hard. We're gonna go in with the Honeymoon Glow AHA once this dries. I want my face to dry first though. But we're getting it pretty tough. This really is not easy for anybody. Actually, before I do that, no, never mind. We're just gonna go in with that. But this hasn't been easy on anybody. It's tough. And when you're stuck in your house and you lost your job, you don't want to get out of bed. You don't want to open the curtains. You don't want to see the sunlight. It's hard. Trust me, I know it's hard. But you're not alone. Get up. Get out of bed. Force yourself out of bed. Have a pamper day. Open up the blinds. Open up the windows. Get some fresh air in there. Because while this is hard, yeah, it will blow over. It has to get better. And I know everyone's scared, and I know a lot of people are going through it right now. Trust me, I know. I'm going through it right now. I'm terrified. Our face is dry, so we're gonna go in. I'm gonna take 2 pumps. Trust me, I'm terrified. I'm gonna put this everywhere but my eyes. Like, this is not an easy situation for anyone to go through. And I have family that I'm personally worried about that is in this age range to where it can really affect them. And it's scary. Like, it's a scary time. And trust me, if you're feeling depressed, no one blames you. And if anyone does, screw them. Because no one has any right to judge anybody right now. We are all in this boat. This is terrifying. But you know what? Life goes on. It does. I know that's not helpful, but you know what? We have to keep moving. I'm gonna go in with some Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Gel. I'm just gonna put that on my ring finger. We are all in this together, and we need to help each other any way we can. Like in New Orleans, for example, as we all know, Zoe was not healthy. She had a liver infection, and we're gonna let this dry before we move on. She had a liver infection. She had real life issues, and she's on medication. And I lost my job. Like, I can't help her right now. So there's a bunch of people really coming together to help people that have lost their job. There's a vet that is doing free wellness checks, and he's discounting medicine. Like, there is still good out there. But this is the kind of time where we need to band together, build each other up, don't tear each other down. This is a scary time for everybody, and we're all in this crappy little boat together, so we might as well make the best of it. So be there for your fellow humans. We're all human at the end of the day. If you can help. If you can't, you can't. But at the same time, if you can, like, help. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some Watermelon Glow. Once my face is dry, it's still not really dry. But yeah, y'all, it's important that we band together and we help each other, and we do the best we can right now as a group. So I've been depressed as can be. Like, right now my face is dry. Like, I know you see on the news that New Orleans is about to go into full-blown lockdown. You know what? Everyone's going through it. Everyone's dealing with it in their own way. And today I was kind of butthurt about the fact that I haven't heard from certain friends, and it was like, wait, hold on. I haven't reached out to them either. I really can't be butthurt about this. And then I was like, you know what? If they are able to actually still go out and have fun and everything, let them live their best life right now. So I'm mean, it is what it is. We all just kind of got to be understanding and be in this together. That's the most important thing. Help how you can, do what you can to help. That's all we can do. Okay. So, I'm actually done, which means our video is done. I hope this video kind of gave you motivation to get up and open the doors and have your own little pamper session. Bring some light into your room or whatever, your house, your apartment, whatever. Bring some light, open the windows, get some fresh air in. And just keep in mind, stick together. We're going to get through this. One way or another, it's going to happen. I know this is a shitty situation, but you know what? It is important. Actually, we're not done. Oh my goodness, I forgot my eye cream. I'm going to go in with the Hey Honey Retina eye cream. Wow. Yeah, but we're still going to end the video as we do this. Just stick together. Check on your family. Check on your friends. Hell, check on your coworkers, because they might not have people checking on them. So it's important that we stick together and we remember it's not just us. Everyone is going through this. So I hope you guys stay safe. I hope you make it out of this situation in the best possible way that you can. And most importantly, I hope you just take care of yourselves. You can't take care of other people if you weren't taking care of yourself. So take care of yourself. Check on your friends. Check on your family. Check on your coworkers. And I will still be uploading. I might not have my background because, like I said, I might be going to my mom's. But I will be here. If you need someone to talk to, you're more than welcome to message me on Instagram. I'll be here. All right, guys. I love you. Stay safe. And I'll see you in my next video.